beautiful people. My name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this amazing channel. Today is the last day of the month and let me say it has been a productive January for me and I can't complain about anything. So far so good and I thank God for everything. So this is a continuation of a video that I had done last week about cleaning. I was supposed to post it on Thursday, but I somehow got caught up and I was not able to. So I decided to do it today and maybe you can pick up some motivation. So as said, January has been a very dusty month and let me say it has been a month of so much cleaning in my house. I don't know if it has been so in your spaces. Maybe you can comment down below. So since I brought this seat, there has been so much limited space in this house. And as you can see, cleaning behind the seats is quite a hassle. And I had to do it because there was a lot of dust which had built in under. So stick around and just enjoy the video. I will not be talking much. I will also remove my carpet for airing so that I can clean properly below the seats.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel.
I don't usually have a mop, so for the 3-seater I couldn't pull it because of the space. And I had to just improvise a way to clean it because it was also dusty. But there's something I'm thinking about. I think I'm going to do away with the bed that is in the living room. Now that we don't have someone who is sleeping on it. I just think I need to create space in this house because I don't love dust under the seats. And the hassle I went through while cleaning on that day, I don't want to go through it another day. So I'm still rethinking about that bed. Or maybe if God blesses me with the money to go to a 2-bedroom house, well and good, but it is not a priority for me right now. So I think I will first do away with the bed so that I can create some space in the living room. Allow me to take this chance to just welcome all the new subscribers of the week. Thank you very, very much. I think I've gotten so many subscribers from my past videos and I'm very grateful about that. In this channel, we'll do a lot of cleaning and homemaking, a little bit of cooking and everything in between because for us, everything around us is content. So stick around and make sure you always avail yourself to watch my videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at exactly 2 p.m.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. 'Cause it's been too.
Later on, I just went ahead to wipe my seats and my windowsill because the windowsill has been accumulating a lot of dust, and I was just using some soapy water and a piece of cloth. So I've been wiping my seats regularly because it is very rare for you to really notice some dust on gray seats. But if you don't clean them after a while, you start realizing some discoloring, and especially on the top area. So I have just made it a norm to clean them regularly over the week.
Artificial love, we just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. 'Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. 'Cause reality will never.
So this is later in the evening after the floor was dry and after my carpet had gotten enough airing. So I'm going to return it, and I'll also make this bed in the living room because I had cleaned all the beddings, and that will be it about this video. So I hope you are motivated to clean up your spaces, and especially on this time when we have a lot of dust building up in the house quite often.
All I wanted was a touch, artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
If you have watched this video up to this point, I can only say a few words to you. May God bless you abundantly. Special thanks to my premier gang for always finding the time to catch up with my premiers. May God bless you and your channels.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you
This was the final outcome, and let me say the house was even smelling fresh. So guys, I hope you are now motivated to clean up your spaces. Bye bye, and let me see you in my next video. I love you.